So the gift for my fiance had to be perfect, different, unique, in peacocks or shoes. You see, my fiance loves peacocks and shoes, so I always took the easy way out and I gave her gift cards, dinners, or trips. But this time she challenged me to buy her a gift to show, how much I know her, and I accepted. What the heck was I thinking though? She didn't think I could do it. I could see the look on her face when she made the challenge, a gift to prove that I know her, right? But I did it and I blew her away. I gave her a peacock she'd never seen before in her life. And then I presented to her while she sipped wine from her babe shoe wine glass that I gave to her as a prelude to the showstopper. So I really wanted to say thank you to Perfection's Gift Shop. Their peacock fan blew her away in more ways than one. The quality and craftsmanship was superb, and the shoe wine glass is her favorite. She takes it with her whenever we dine out. She is happy, and so am I. So really, thanks again, Perfectionist. You have a loyal customer, and I will definitely be back for more unique gifts for the holidays. That's it, and thank you so much. Bye.